Hey everybody, it is 9:30 in the morning. I think I've been up since 7:30. I had a rough night last night. I just couldn't sleep. I couldn't go to sleep, and then right by the time I fell asleep, Charlotte woke up. Then I got her back to sleep, and then, you know, it woke me up all over again, and then I try to go back to sleep, and then she wakes up again. So I just had a rough night. I'm extremely tired, but, you know, that's just the way things go. Graham just went to work. He's gonna go to work early. Like I said, I think I said it was 9:30. But I just got done editing my soup video, and Graham's like, oh, I really liked how you edit it. So I might start doing videos like that. I feel like it's a little bit different and fast. So we got that going on because I have tons of recipes that I have not posted a video for. But my kitchen countertop is a mess again already. It's just like non-stop. So I have to empty the dishwasher, but I can't when Charlotte is up because she crawls inside the dishwasher, or every time I get a chance, she like hurries up. I mean, she's a super fast crawler when it comes to the dishwasher open. So my countertop is a mess. There's things all over it. I gotta clean the stove. I just gotta clean everything. It's just non-stop. My living room is okay. It's not that bad. My kitchen table is actually pretty cleared off since last night. I do have to film my empties video. I have to film my basement video. So I'm gonna try to get that. I'm gonna try to get a shower done, and then when I put her down for a nap, I'm gonna try to film those two videos. So actually, I should probably take a shower right now and get that stuff done, and then I can hurry up and get this stuff ready. But a lot of you guys were also enjoying me doing the fast forward and cleaning stuff, so I'm going to do that today. This weekend we spilt a lot of stuff on my floor, so I really need to sweep the floor and mop it, so I'm gonna do that. And then the windows need to be cleaned, so I'm gonna clean them all off, and then if he wants to redraw on them, that's fine. I'd rather just have them all clean right now. And today's supposed to be a nice day, so I might take the kids for a walk. I don't know. I'm a person, and if you guys know me, I don't like being outside. It's my depression. Like a lot of people say, "You're okay, honey." She likes getting stuck between the refrigerator. You're fine. I just don't like going outside. Like a lot of people are like, "Oh, you should go outside, the fresh air." I'm a person who doesn't like being outside. I'll go outside, like I don't mind it, but I don't know. So we might go for a walk just to get the kids some fresh air. But yeah, so it's like the same day all over again. Grandma's really happy he had a decent birthday. You know, he loves that chicken noodle soup, you guys. Like he's heated it up. He's already had like 3 or 4 servings of it. He's like, "This is the best soup ever." And I'm like, yes, Graham. So definitely, you know, if you guys want to try stuff. And I'm actually kind of liking, you know, this whole, I hate to say it, but I hate to be on this whole lockdown. Number one, because I get to spend time at my house. Like, you know, couponing, you guys have no idea. It really stresses me out sometimes, just because I gotta go do this, I gotta do that. I mean, my Sundays take up 6-7 hours just me doing couponing stuff, because I don't wake up early in the morning. It's hard when you have a baby. If the kids were a little bit older, I could just get up and go, but it's harder to do that. And, you know, I'm working on getting stuff done a little bit faster, but, you know, it just takes time to get in a groove. But I've been really liking, you know, not hurrying up and going couponing, even though I love it. And then I'm like, okay, and then I'm like always thinking, I'm like, should I do other things besides couponing? Like, should I not just do couponing for my channel? And it's like, yeah, I do. I'm starting to do more cooking videos. I want to do more craft videos. But a lot of you guys are really enjoying the fast forwarding stuff. So I think I'm going to start doing some videos where I'm just like fast forwarding, like super fast. I don't know. I mean, a lot of you guys can do that. But yeah, I just want to bring more to my channel. Other than just couponing, and you guys know that. That's the reason why I have like random things of DesignerJen. But we will see how everything goes. But I'm just gonna stop talking right now because it's 9:35 and I don't want to bore you, but let's get on to some getting dressed and some cleaning today. So you guys, I just finished my empties video and my basement tour video. It's 11:01. Charlotte's been sleeping maybe for about a half an hour, 45 minutes, I don't know. But I haven't even eaten anything yet. I haven't drank anything yet. I'm out of breath from running up and down the stairs, but I am going to have a breakfast. I'm gonna have some French toast that I made yesterday, and then I'm going to clean my kitchen and empty the dishwasher because it needs it always. So I'm gonna show you guys my kitchen, like how much it was clean yesterday and how bad it is today. So the kitchen dishes need to be put away. This needs to be all cleared out. This bowl, this stuff needs to be cleared out. This is okay. I gotta clean all this up. This all needs to be cleaned up. And then this is something I just did, I gotta throw away. And I gotta put this stuff away. But yeah, it's crazy. And then my kitchen table is not as dirty, but I gotta clean that up. So that is my goal for right now that I can get done. I'm gonna eat something first because I'm starving. But I'm gonna try to do that stuff first, and then hopefully Miss Charlotte lets me get the dishwasher ready to go. I'm gonna actually open it up because it doesn't always fully dry. I gotta let stuff air dry in here. But I'm gonna hopefully get all this stuff done before she wakes up. It's hard to say what her naps are. But yeah, and then I need to clean the windows and mop the floors today. That's my goal. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, so I cleaned up a lot, you guys. I got the dishwasher emptied, I loaded the dishwasher, I swept and mopped the floor. I also took the vacuum and I vacuumed every single nook and cranny in my kitchen, between the refrigerator, everywhere. And then I ended up cleaning all the windows. Ben said he doesn't want me to touch the one windows, but he said I could do the patio door. No, leave those up there, honey. So we got that, and then I also started a load of laundry. So I got about 2 loads of laundry, so that's gonna take for the day. But it is now 12:50, so I probably spent an hour and a half maybe doing all that stuff. So the place is, furniture's just moved around. I don't know why he keeps moving furniture, but I gotta move some furniture back. Ben keeps going to talking to the neighbor. He just loves talking to the neighbor. But other than that, you know, we're just gonna relax. Miss Charlotte's up, and I'm just gonna take a break. There's a movie that I just found on Vudu, you guys. It's free to watch. It's called Big Man on Campus. It's actually from the 1989, but I used to watch this movie when I was younger, and I finally found it. I'm like, holy crap, like, I've been finding these movies that I've been wanting to watch since my childhood, and all I've been watching lately is a lot of 80s and 90s movies. So I'm excited for that. But yeah, I'm just gonna get some lunch for Miss Charlotte, and we're just gonna have a nice relaxing day. Hey you guys, so it is like what, 8:00, I don't even know what time it is. It's 8:23, and I just looked in the backyard and there was like 4 deer walking that way. They're still over there. There's one that's like lagging. I don't know if she's hurt or she could be pregnant, I don't know, but she was really lagging against the other 3. And then I look over here and I saw 1 or 2 of them, but I don't know where they're going. I just love watching the deer. And then like the frogs are super loud right now. Miss Charlotte's like, let me in, oh, let me in, Mom. But yeah, so I'm getting the kids ready for bed. I'm just looking to see if I can see any more deer. I don't know why. I've lived here for 7 years or so, and oh, there she is. I don't know if you guys can see her, but I don't know if you guys. Yeah, she's moving. She's like right in that little area. You guys can't see, but she's like right there. That's the one that's kind of lagging, and everybody else is like way ahead of her. But yeah, I don't know why, but I get, every time but every time I come, or every time I'm outside or look outside, I'm always excited to see the deer. I don't know why. But I just love them. I just love them. I wish I could give them some food. We could, but I don't know if we are supposed to. But after I cleaned up and everything, I sat and chilled. I started watching a movie, you guys. Vudu has some really good movies, and it was a movie that I think I watched when I was a kid. It came out in 1989. It was called Big Man on Campus, and it's like kind of about the Hunchback of Notre Dame, but like this guy that lives in the sorry, my neighbor's shutting the windows. The 80s, or lives at a college and everything. And I'm like, whoa, I haven't seen this movie in either 20 to 30 years. 25 to 30, 20 to 25 years. I'm like, sweet. So I'm gonna watch the rest of that tonight. I'm like, man, I've been hardcore into 80s and 90s movies, like childhood movies and everything. But I was just kind of picking up and stuff. I've been really editing some videos. I gave the kids a bath, and you know, Graham got home like at 6:30, so there's that. But I just kind of been relaxing. I've been picking up. I haven't really sat down to watch TV. I watched like maybe 20 minutes of that movie, maybe 30 minutes, and that's all I've gotten so far. But now I'm trying to get Ben to go to get sleepy. Charlotte's gonna be going to sleep soon. She took a late nap, but I want her to stay up late because I think she might be teething, and her schedule's just really weird. But I don't know, I feel like I had a successful day. Like I didn't get, you can't notice I got anything done, but I mean, I really got the windows cleaned. I really hand vacuumed the flooring and stuff. I might work on I might kind of organize the basement a little bit tomorrow. We will see. But I do want to get a little bit more organized. How come when I bring my camera out, they all disappear? I mean, there's the one, which I don't know where she went now, but yeah. So anyways, I'm hoping to have a good, productive Friday tomorrow, you guys. I don't know what we're in for Saturday. I think Saturday we're gonna probably go get some ice cream to celebrate Graham's birthday. There's this local ice cream shop, and I called them yesterday. But we might go get ice cream, and she's like, you gotta get to go. I'm like, well, obviously, but they have like the best ice cream, and they're about 20 minutes from our house, so we're like, we're gonna go get some ice cream. But yeah, I'm hoping to get some good stuff done tomorrow, and then this Saturday I just want to relax. I really want to start editing videos. Like I think I counted, like I have like 13 videos that I've made that I haven't posted yet, so I kind of want to just get a lot of videos edited and ready to go. But a lot of you guys really enjoyed how I did the chicken noodle soup, so if I can do my past videos kind of like that, I will. But I'm gonna definitely start filming my new videos for that. So, and I want to do more freezer meals, even though it's summer going on spring and summer. I kind of want to do more freezer meals just so we have them ready to go. But other than that, I had a nice day out. It was a nice day outside. I kind of just stood outside. We talked to the neighbors. They're sat in their yard, but we stood on the sidewalk and talked to them. But I'm glad, you know, I got some stuff done. I feel accomplished. More cleaning tomorrow, which is fine, but I'm just happy that I'm finally getting caught up. And I did laundry today, but I haven't put it away. But I'll either do some of it tonight, which I probably will do it tonight, and then I'll finish the rest tomorrow. But I'm caught up on everything, and I love it. And I'm running the dishwasher right now, so I gotta empty that hopefully later tonight or tomorrow morning. But I'll see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.